What's up, guys? Spin Firearms here, and obviously the Glock 26 is my favorite everyday carry firearm out there. It can do it all. Same with the Glock 27, just an awesome, reliable handgun. But every week, I go through YouTube and somehow videos pop up about why the Glock 26 is obsolete, why the Glock 27 is no longer a viable option. Guys, that's ridiculous. Look at this channel. This channel was built on the back of the Glock 26 and 27. So many people I know own them or have bought them because of this channel. Every single one of them ends up loving it. So, it is what it is.